Hey, welcome back to week number 6 of my do-it-yourself bathroom remodel. Look at the vanity. Wow, looking so much better. The plumbers were here today, and let me demonstrate. Yes, we do have running water, so that's very exciting. That left time for the contractor to move into the shower area and start to tile the walls. So it's starting to come together here slowly but surely at the beginning of week number 6. So that's where we are, and hopefully we'll continue on tomorrow with more tiling. And of course, we still have that toilet that has yet to be installed. So hopefully that's gonna get done. Had to go to the hardware store to get a few more things, and we're looking forward to moving on to be a very successful week number 6. Well, we are into week number 6, so it looks like the tiling inside the shower is getting done. So things are looking very bright here. Still got a ways to go for the rest of this week to get this other side tiled up, but it's looking good. And the floor is already done. We just have some cardboard there to protect that tile. You can see the doorknob that we put on here, a black doorknob to match the faucets. We still have to put the mirror up above the vanity, but things are coming along rather nicely. And we're just getting this area prepped to put the toilet in right here. And we are in week number 6. And yes, there's still a little bit of a mess in the room, but hey, look where we've come. Here's the old shower right here and the new shower. Wow, what a difference, huh? It looks great, that's for sure. Here's the old vanity and floor, and you can see now the new vanity. So, wow, things are coming along pretty nice, I think. Okay, we're here at the end of week number 6. This is the mirror that's going to go in the bathroom. It's almost ready to install, but it'll be installed next week. Again, things are looking, there's a lot less trash inside the room. But let's take a quick look where we are at the end of week 6. The good news is that we do have like I said, the vanity is up and running with hot and cold running water with the faucets. We're making some really good progress here on tiling. You can see up close, you can see the grout work and everything is done on this side. So it's looking really, really sharp. Really like it. Got some more work to do over here, just a little bit at the top. So we're getting much closer to hopefully wrapping this thing up. Got some more tile work to do down here at the bottom. But the good news is also that over here where we have the toilet is now installed. So that's looking really good. That's a Kohler toilet. It's called a Gleam. It's smooth on the sides. Thought that was a nicer look. So this is the end of week 6. If you haven't watched the other videos on my channel, Greg Express Travels, please take time to watch them. And remember to hit that thumbs up button and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. All right, we'll see you at the end of week number 7. Bye-bye.